North Texas police departments are trying to take action to protect their officers from possible carbon monoxide exposure in Ford Explorer SUVs. Ford says more than a dozen departments, including Austin and Galveston, have found carbon monoxide leaking into the cabins of SUVs that are modified to carry police equipment. Austin's parked nearly 400 SUVs, Galveston about 30. Ford is sending teams of investigators to help police departments identify and fix potential leaks. Federal regulators are also investigating hundreds of complaints from civilian SUV Explorers made between 2011 and 2017. Fox 4's James Rose in DeSoto, where that police department is being proactive. James.
Right, Clarice, you can't see, smell, or taste carbon monoxide, but the effects can range from confusion to dizziness, even death. And police departments all across the country are taking that very seriously. Here at the DeSoto Police Department, they're using $10 cards to keep their officers safe.
I probably glance at it, I say probably every few minutes while I'm driving.
DeSoto police officer Jessica Ryan is talking about this carbon monoxide detection card on the dashboard. It's an example of how police departments across the nation are addressing concerns of exhaust fumes. Carbon monoxide leaking into the Ford Police Interceptor SUV.
It is a little frightening. I'm not going to sit here and say that it doesn't bother me at all. But I'm looking at this every time I turn my car on. The first thing I'm doing is I'm looking at this card.
In the last 5 months, the Austin Police Department reported more than 60 officers filing workman's comp claims for carbon monoxide poisoning. The department temporarily parked its fleet of more than 400 Ford police SUVs before equipping them with carbon monoxide detectors like the DeSoto Police Department.
We do have 13 Explorers in the fleet. They're operating on a daily basis, but none of our officers have any complaints at all of any type of carbon monoxide issue.
The SUVs are not part of a recall, but Ford has sent 5 teams of investigators to different cities in response to the complaints. The company says engineering teams continue working with law enforcement agencies in their communities to address carbon monoxide concerns in some Ford police interceptors. Mesquite, Richardson, Irving, and Cedar Hill police departments all use the SUVs, and the Fort Worth Police Department has the largest fleet, 250 in all. All of these departments tell us the SUVs now have carbon monoxide detectors, and none has reported any officers becoming ill. Now, here in DeSoto, they plan on upgrading those cards with electronic detectors that can be hardwired into those squad cars. Now, as far as Fort Worth is concerned, they're taking this issue so seriously, they recently canceled the order of 130 SUVs from Ford. They're now electing to go with Tahoes and Dodge Chargers. Clarice?